Today we are diving into a world of tiny, colorful blooms that may be small in size but huge in charm. These delicate beauties are perfect for pots, balconies, and cozy garden corners, adding soft texture and non-stop color. If you love low-growing flowers that create a dreamy, carpet-like look, you are going to love this collection. Let's get started. Million Bells, Calibrachoa parviflora, is a compact, trailing flowering plant loved for its explosion of small, petunia-like blooms that cover the plant from top to bottom. It grows beautifully in hanging baskets, window boxes, and pots, creating a colorful waterfall effect. Flowers come in bright shades like pink, yellow, red, orange, purple, and even mixed patterns. This plant enjoys full sun and well-draining soil, and it blooms continuously through the warm season with proper care. Regular feeding helps keep the flowers coming. It's low maintenance, self-cleaning, and perfect for balconies or small gardens where non-stop color and a soft, cascading look are desired. Baby's Breath, Gypsophila paniculata, is a graceful, airy flowering plant known for its clouds of tiny blooms that create a soft, mist-like appearance. This perennial forms a rounded mound of slender, branching stems covered with hundreds of delicate white or blush-pink flowers. It thrives in full sun and prefers well-drained, slightly alkaline soil. Once established, it is drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. The plant blooms heavily in warm seasons and is widely used as a filler in floral arrangements. In gardens and pots, it adds light texture, elegance, and a dreamy look, beautifully complementing larger, bold-colored flowers in any setting. Moss Rose, Portulaca grandiflora, is a low-growing plant admired for its small, vibrant, rose-like flowers and thick, succulent leaves. It forms a spreading, carpet-like mat that makes it ideal for pots, hanging baskets, borders, and rock gardens. The tiny blooms appear in bright shades of pink, red, yellow, orange, and white, sometimes with double petals. Flowers open in bright sunlight and close at night or during cloudy weather. This plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating heat and drought with ease. Low maintenance and fast-growing, it provides long-lasting color through warm seasons, especially in dry areas where many other flowering plants struggle. Alyssum, Lobularia maritima, is a charming, low-growing plant loved for its clusters of tiny, sweet-smelling flowers that create a soft, carpet-like display. The small blooms appear in shades of white, pink, lavender, and purple, often covering the foliage completely. It grows well in pots, borders, and hanging baskets, spilling gently over edges. This plant prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Alyssum blooms for a long period, especially in cool weather, and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Easy to grow and low maintenance, it adds delicate texture, fragrance, and continuous color to balconies, pathways, and garden beds. Verbena, Verbena hybrida, is a spreading, free-flowering plant valued for its clusters of small, vivid blooms that brighten spaces for months. The flowers appear in shades of purple, pink, red, white, and bicolors, often forming rounded heads above textured green foliage. It works beautifully in pots, hanging baskets, and garden edges, where its slightly trailing habit softens borders. This plant enjoys full sun and well-drained soil, and it handles heat well once established. Regular light feeding encourages non-stop blooming. Attractive to butterflies and easy to maintain, verbena adds long-lasting color and a lively, cheerful look to balconies and sunny garden spots. Forget-me-not, Myosotis sylvatica, is a charming plant admired for its clusters of tiny, sky blue, pink, white flowers with bright yellow centers. It grows as a low, bushy plant that fits nicely in pots, borders, and shady garden corners. The soft green leaves form a neat base that highlights the delicate blooms. This plant prefers cool weather, partial shade, and moist, well-drained soil. It often flowers in spring, creating a gentle, woodland-style look. It can reseed easily, returning year after year in favorable conditions. Easy to care for and sweet in appearance, it adds a soft splash of color and a natural, storybook feel. Lobelia, Lobelia arenas, is a compact, trailing plant prized for its masses of tiny, intense blue, purple, pink, or white flowers. The blooms are small but appear in such abundance that they nearly hide the foliage. It grows beautifully in pots, hanging baskets, and window boxes, where its soft, cascading habit creates a flowing effect. This plant prefers cool to mild weather, partial sun, and consistently moist, well-drained soil. Regular watering keeps it looking fresh and full. Lobelia is perfect for edging paths or filling gaps between larger plants, adding fine texture, rich color, and a delicate, graceful touch to any garden space. Pansy, Viola tricolor, is a cheerful, cool-season flowering plant known for its small, velvety blooms marked with distinctive face-like patterns. The flowers come in a wide mix of colors, including purple, yellow, blue, white, and deep maroon, often with contrasting centers. This compact plant grows well in pots, borders, and garden beds, adding bright color during cooler months. It prefers full sun to partial shade and rich, well-drained soil. Regular watering keeps the plant healthy and blooming. Pansies are easy to grow and long flowering, making them perfect for balconies and small spaces where continuous, eye-catching color is desired. Bacopa, Caenostoma caudatum, is a soft, trailing plant loved for its masses of small, star-shaped flowers that bloom continuously through the growing season. The delicate blooms are usually white, but pink, blue, and lavender varieties are also popular. It grows with a gentle cascading habit, making it perfect for hanging baskets, pots, and window boxes. The tiny flowers stand out against fresh green foliage, creating a light, airy look. Bacopa prefers partial sun, cool conditions, and consistently moist, well-drained soil. Easy to maintain and self-cleaning, it adds graceful texture, subtle color, and a calm, elegant feel to balconies and garden edges. Nemesia, Nemesia strumosa, is a compact, free-flowering plant known for its small, colorful blooms that appear in cheerful shades of pink, purple, yellow, orange, and white. The flowers often have contrasting throats, adding extra charm. It grows as a neat, bushy plant that fits beautifully in pots, borders, and window boxes. Nemesia prefers cool to mild weather, full sun to partial shade, and well-drained soil. Regular watering and light feeding encourage continuous flowering. Its soft fragrance and bright display make it a lovely choice for balconies and small gardens, where it brings lively color, delicate texture, and a fresh seasonal touch. Wishbone flower, Torrenia fournieri, is a charming, compact plant valued for its small, trumpet-shaped blooms and lush green foliage. The flowers come in shades of purple, blue, pink, and yellow, often with contrasting throats that add extra detail. It grows well in pots, hanging baskets, and shaded borders, where its soft, spreading habit creates a gentle display. Unlike many flowering plants, it thrives in partial to full shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil. Blooming for a long period in warm weather, it's easy to maintain and perfect for adding bright color to balconies, patios, and garden corners with less direct sunlight. Dwarf phlox, Phlox subulata, is a low-growing, spreading plant admired for its carpet of small, star-shaped flowers that blanket the foliage in spring. The blooms appear in shades of pink, purple, blue, and white, creating a vibrant ground-hugging display. Its needle-like leaves form a dense mat, making it excellent for borders, rock gardens, slopes, and pots. This plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating dry conditions once established. Easy to care for and fast-spreading, dwarf phlox adds bright seasonal color, soft texture, and a beautiful cascading effect over edges, walls, or raised garden spaces. Thanks for watching. Add these tiny bloomers to brighten your space. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening ideas.